Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the size of your slides on the PowerPoint application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page by tapping on the home icon down below, which is the first option. And then you should select from your presentations that you have created. So tap on the one that you would like to edit. Now all you have to do is clicking on this icon at the top of the screen, the first icon indicated with the letter A and the image of a pencil. Click on it again till you find this home category in the middle of the screen. Tap on the fourth option, design. Click on slide size, and you have two options here, the standard size and the widescreen size, as you can see. So you just simply need to tap on the relevant one, and then you are ready to save your presentation by clicking on the done button in the upper left corner of the screen. So now this function of the application has been changed and updated. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.